Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, what you need to know about plugins, we're going to cover some basic information that is important to keep in mind as you begin or continue to use plugins. Before we continue, make sure that you like and share this video with anyone that you think might like it, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look at plugins. Plugins are just like browser extensions. You can add what you want and ignore what you don't want to use. Additionally, we're able to develop and publish them really quickly in comparison to updating the core of the software. That means that we can publish new features incredibly fast. Plugins sometimes have version requirements. If you're on an older version of Eclipse, like version 11, you may not have access to the same plugins that your friends on version 12 can see. And plugins are updated just like the software itself. When users have feature suggestions or submit bug reports, the plugin files have to undergo updates. As a result, those updates are provided to you via the store. And the plugin system itself may sometimes require an update. And again, you'll be notified of these updates via the plugin store itself. Now, let's take a look at the plugin system inside of Eclipse. I have Eclipse open, and in Eclipse 12, you can find your plugins under Plugins, and then Manage Plugins. If you want to look at the Python code itself, you can go to Edit Python Code. I'm going to choose Manage Plugins, and my plugin manager opens. The first thing that you'll see is down at the bottom, it says System Update. And this means that the plugin system itself is due for an update. At the top of my plugin manager, I see that right now I have version 1.6.8 and a new version 1.6.15 is available. I can press the System Update button to update my plugin system. It says that the API was successfully updated, and I'll press OK. Now, when I press OK again to exit the plugin system, I'll be prompted to restart Eclipse. You have to restart Eclipse every time you enable, disable, or update plugins. I'll choose Yes to restart Eclipse. And Eclipse automatically restarts, and I'll press OK to enter my user again. I'm going to return to my plugin manager. And if I visit Available, you see that several of my plugins are labeled with a new flag. This means that the individual plugins have updates available. And you see that for Analyze Documents Plus, I have 1.7 installed and 1.8 is available. I can download as many plugins as I need to. And for some plugins, I'll be given the option of downloading different versions. If I have different versions of Eclipse installed, I might need different versions of plugins. For most users, if you're using the newest versions of Eclipse, simply choose the newest version of a plugin. Once you've downloaded all of your new plugins, when you press OK, you'll be prompted to restart Eclipse again to get all of that new information optimized and ready to use. So I'll press Yes to restart Eclipse. And again, Eclipse has restarted, and I'll select my user. And when I return to the plugin store, those plugins that I updated have the new version installed and enabled. The plugin store makes it easy to access plugins and to make sure that your system is up to date, as well as keeping individual plugins up to date. After you've downloaded a plugin, it is added to your installed list, but by default, it is not set to enabled. You need to enable each plugin that you download and wish to use. So if you've downloaded a plugin, but the commands or toolbar functions aren't yet available, make sure that it's enabled. And just like you can download multiple plugins, you can also enable multiple plugins. So I can choose multiple plugins, choose enable, and then I can press OK and restart Eclipse. So keep in mind that every time you download, enable, or update your plugins, you are going to have to restart. And so if you keep all of those actions to a single session, you'll only have to restart once. If you rely on your plugins, make sure that you do visit the plugin store occasionally and go to the Available tab to check for any updates to any of your installed plugins, or just to check for any new plugins. We do routinely publish new plugins. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Our friendly and helpful support staff can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays. For immediate service, call us at 772-288-3266. For less urgent matters, email us at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.